going to show you guys how to get this really super simple, super easy shadow liner, metallic shadow liner look? I don't know what you would call this. It's just a little bit fall and a little bit sparkly and a whole lot of fun. So this is a really simple, really easy eye look to do, and you can recreate it with any shadows that you have. You do not have to have the exact shadows that I'm showing you in order to recreate this look. All you really need is a brown and a gold and some nude shadows, and that's pretty much it. And you guys feel free to put your own spin on it. Do what you gotta do what you want. It's no big deal. You do what you gotta do, you know, but it's fine. I'm rambling, so if you guys want to see how I got this eye look, please go ahead and keep on watching. Anyway, so went ahead and did this eye completely off camera, and now I'm going to show you how to get it on this side, even though this is my better side, so you're gonna see. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do, I'm using the old school Manny MUA Makeup Geek palette, but the two colors that I use from this are like their regular Makeup Geek colors. So the colors I used were Beaches and Cream and Frappe, I do believe. So this one right here, and then this one right here. So you can just purchase those separately or use any neutral colored shadows that you have. It's not really gonna be a big deal. And I'm taking a big fluffy brush, the Morphe Y16, and going into Beaches and Cream right there. And I am just going to flip that all over my crease and lid area. Just real gentle, real subtle, nothing crazy. And do thatness. And then we're going to hop right into the next step, which is super simple, super easy, and I'm using the Melt Blueprint stock for this. I'm gonna be taking this dark brown shade right here called Hammered? Yeah, Hammered. Right here, this dark brown, and a Morphe, what are you? M432, and any little flat like definer brush that you have like this will do the job. You see how thin it is? This is gonna do all the work for you. So you just stamp into the shadow, like so. Tap off the excess, and I'm gonna use this little bitty mirror because it's what I'm working with right now, okay? Oh, there's a spider. And burn down the whole house. We are going to go ahead and start stamping with our brush. Look how pigmented that is. And just create a little shape with this brush, which is super easy to do. And then you just come back in. And then we're gonna take it all the way in to the inner corner. And then we're going to go over here to a little pencil brush. And this is the, nope, not that one. Where's my pencil brush? Here it is. This is the Morphe Y20. You're gonna take this little brush, and then you are just gonna start buffing out that shadow wing. And now that's why it doesn't really matter if it's not like super precise, because we are going to blend the sucker out anyway. And then going back in and redefining certain areas, like close to the lash line, which is where you want the most pigment, and in that inner corner, and just kind of re-intensifying that wing shape. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? Sorry guys, I'm not meant to be a good YouTuber. I'm just gonna have to be a bad one, and you guys are gonna just have to either accept me for who I am or don't watch me. There's nothing I can really do about that. So I'm gonna go back in with my pencil brush and go ahead and re-blend that sucker out. I just want him to be very soft, very diffused, but still defined. So now I'm going to go back in with my little definer brush, this one, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Nail, which is right next to Hammered, that really intense gold right there. And I'm gonna dip into that with my brush. Oh God, these are so pigmented. And then I'm just gonna lay that down right over top of the brown.
Hey you guys, editing Naomi here, realizing you can't see anything that I am doing with this metallic shadow, so all I'm doing is just concentrating that metallic shadow right on the very beginning over the brown shadow in the inner corner of the eye, and just feathering it towards the middle of the eye and not taking it on the actual wing itself. It's just to give a little bit of pop of shimmer. And now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Thanks so much.
Back into our makeup geek palette. We're going to use the shade Frappe, which is right here. This light kind of, well, it's not really a super warm brown, not really a super cool tone brown. And we're gonna just flick that into the crease. So after you've done that with your fluffy brush, now we are gonna go ahead and do the bottom. And I'm just gonna pop back in the hammered on my detail brush. And we're going to just push that right up against the inner corner, kind of meeting with that wing, and then down a little bit lower. But you're not gonna go all the way into the inner corner, and you wanna stop halfway, because just trust me. And then we're gonna go back into our Makeup Geek palette and pick up Beaches and Cream, that really light nude on our pencil brush, and just smoke that out. I really need a better setup than this for filming, don't I, guys? I'm going to take a liner from Colourpop, if I can find it. Here it is. This is the Brew liner from Colourpop. And I am going to tight line with this, and also, well, tight line the whole eye, basically, the upper lash line and the bottom lash line. You're not gonna go all the way in, just gonna go to the middle and kind of wiggle it in between the lashes too, just to kind of solidify it a little bit. And then for our inner corner highlight, I am going to pick up the shade Beaming. That is appropriate. The shade Beaming right there, this lighter champagne gold pinky color from the Blueprint stack, and I'm going to pick that up on this little tiny Y22 detailer brush, and I'm going to pick that up on that brush. These are so big, my head, and so little, and I'm going to pop that in. And that is the actual shadow look. Mascara that I'm going to be using is the Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. It's just a little sample size, because I want to try it out. And just to show you guys, I did not curl my lashes because I can't find my eyelash curler. So I'm just gonna show you what it's like without curling or anything. But yeah, so that is it, you guys. That is the completed eye look. I will come back with the rest of my makeup on. I'm filming my current go-to foundation routine, so if you guys want that video, it's gonna be linked up here. Hopefully that one will go before this one does. But anyway, I'll come back in a second with the rest of my face makeup. Okay guys, I'm back with my face makeup all finished, all done. And if you want to see what I use, you can go check out my current favorite foundation routine. Everything that I have been recently using and enjoying and loving is going to be up there, as well as the completed makeup for this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look. It didn't require a whole lot, and I feel like anybody can do this. You can recreate this look with literally any eyeshadows that you have. You can do it with black, you can do it with blue, you can do it with like neon green. I don't care. A shadow wing is so easy to make. All you really need is this little definer brush. It's gonna do the work for you. The finished eye look, that is the finished makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something new and fun today, and I hope you guys give me a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Naomi Smith MUA. I'll put it down here at the bottom of the screen. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye!